Pualena, you know?
Is it words count?
This is it's a Hawaiian song. Like, Pualena.
Oh, that's me, nigga wrong.
I don't really know the words.
To all the Hawaiians, we are sorry.
You hear another song?
No, I don't.
Shoot.
That's
it. Cut.
I know you're a jerk.
You are a jerk.
You a jerk. You a jerk.
What?
Jerk.
What? Remix! Remix! Oh, what?
So, do the sticky leg.
Do the sticky leg. Do the go. Go. Do the go.
Oh, do it.
Like breathing.
This is the queen of remix. Remix.
Oh, wow.
For real, guys, it's the queen of remix. That was not even planned. She did that one on her own. That is not part of the collabo. That is her on her row.
Hey, that's Lauren Hill. How about you shut up?
Oh, what?
Grow the ball. You grew the ball.
Did you grow up follow when? Today or last night?
Hey, you know that song, I Just Want Your Love? What?
Oh. Not gonna get no words, but
Like a sweet, sweetest thing I ever know. Yeah, it's like a sweet, sweetest thing I know.
oh no.
Funnel cake.
Funnel cakes.
That's such a cute name. Pono.
Funnel cake.
Is he Hawaiian? Like, damn, they're gonna be 5 people?
Was it? I know. I was like, nigga, was that what right here? 6 people? You're like, nigga, was that one word, nigga?
He's full Hawaiian?
He's half Hawaiian and half Hawaiian. His mom's full Hawaiian and his dad's
Goddamn, Polo, that's your whole name, my nigga? It's like a goddamn paragraph, my nigga. How long did it take you to learn how to write it? That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.